Now, we take the example in previous video. We prove the formula for the shortest distance in vector form. Now we take an example. Find the shortest distance between the two skew lines. First equation is this and second is this. So vector equation is first line is r vector equal to a1 vector plus lambda b1 vector, and second line r vector equals to a2 vector plus mu b2 vector. Compare the given lines with this. Position vector of the point a1 is this: a1 plus lambda b1, a2 plus mu b2. So our a1 is 3I cap plus 8j cap plus 3k cap, and a2 vector, position vector of the point a2 vector, minus 3I cap minus 7j cap plus 6k cap, and b1 vector is 3I cap minus j cap plus k cap, and b2 vector वेक्टर का साइन जरूर लगाएं, अदरवाइज मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड. b2 vector is minus 3I cap plus 2j cap plus 4k cap. Now the formula for shortest distance is a2 minus a1 vector dot b1 cross b2 divided by mod of. So we need a2 minus a1 vector. So find a2 minus a1. a2 vector minus a1 vector. नहीं देखिए cautiously. Minus 3 minus 3. a2 minus a1. So position vector of a2 minus position vector of a1. So minus 3 minus 3. So minus 6I. मैं directly लिख रहा हूँ. Minus 6I cap minus 7j cap minus this is minus. So minus 15 j cap along x-axis, along y-axis, and 6k cap minus 3k cap. So plus 3k cap. This is our a2 minus a1. Now we need b1 cross b2. So b1 cross b2 vector find by determinant method. So b1 vector cross b2 vector equals to I cap, j cap, k cap, 3 minus 1 plus 1, and minus 3 plus 2 and plus 4. So b1 cross b2 is, superplace this first row and first column. So -4 -2 -4 -2. So I into -4 -2 B1 C2 minus B2 C1 minus J. You know how the determinant is evaluated. So plus minus plus. So minus J superplace super second column and this. So 12 minus minus 3. So 12 J into 12 minus minus 3. So plus 3 minus minus plus 3 plus J, sorry, plus K cap. K cap. Superpress this third column and first row. Superpress this K. So 6 plus 3. So this becomes minus 3. 6 minus 3. So our B1 cross B2 is minus 6 I cap minus 15 J cap plus 3 K cap. In the formula of short resistance, we need mod of B1 cross B2. So in the meantime, find the mod of B1 cross B2. Mod of B1 cross B2 is under root minus 6 square 36. 15 square is 225 plus 9. So 220, 45. 225 plus 45, 270. Under root 270 is the mod of B1 cross B2. सब फार्मूला की सब चीज़ें हमारे पास तैयार हो गई. नाउ पुट इन द फार्मूला. सो फार्मूला फॉर शॉर्टेज डिस्टेंस A2 vector minus A1 vector dot cross B1 cross B2 vector upon mod of B1 cross B2. Projection of this vector on this vector along this vector, so divided by the mod. Actually, this is the projection. So A2 minus A1 minus 6I cap minus 15J cap plus 3K cap. A2 minus A1. Cross product of B1 cross B2. We have B1 cross B2 minus 6I cap minus 15J cap plus 3K cap. Divided by mod of B1 cross B2. So mod of B1 cross B2 is under root 270. Now dot product, scalar product, minus 6I into minus 6I cap. So I square is 1. So 36 minus 15 into minus 15 plus 225 plus 3 into 3, K into K is 9. So this is your B1 cross A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 divided by mod 270. You see the same numbers are there, 36, 25, 9. So this total is 270 upon under root 270. So equals to under root 270 equals to 9 into 30. So shortest distance 9 under root 9 is 3 into root 30 square unit. Okay, thank you.